Hey la, my boyfriend's back.
I were you, I'd take a permanent vacation.
Hey la, my boyfriend.
And he knows I wasn't cheating.
Now you're gonna get